Hey guys, and welcome back to WePlugin. In this video, we'll see how you can display your Excel sheet data on Google Maps in WordPress using our plugin. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to WePlugin and click on Plugin List. Now here you have to search for Excel data on Google Maps, and now install this plugin. Just hit Download. Now hit Activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now just hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro and click on Excel file to map. Now here you have to select the map. As you can see, I already have one map, but I'll create one more just for you. For that, just go to Add Map. Now just enter the map title and map height as per your liking. Now scroll to bottom and click on Excel Data on Google Maps and enable this. Now we just need to find one more option called Listing Settings and enable Display Listing. So your listing will be displayed on map. Now just hit Save. Now copy this code and go to Pages. Now click on Add New Page. Now click on this plus icon and search for shortcode and paste the code. Now give the appropriate title. Now just hit Publish. Now let's go back to Excel file to map. Now select the map that we've just created. Now here you can upload your Excel file, but for demo I'll download this sample file and simply upload it. Now just hit Continue. Now you can assign value, but everything is fine, so I'll just hit Save. Now everything is done. Let's go to Map Page. Now let's just open this map page. Now as you can see, all the Excel sheet data is being displayed on map. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.